Hey guys, welcome back. Today is 31 December. So tomorrow will be 1st January 2026. So today I decide, I already told you yesterday कि I will start a new series like any topic I talk and I talk about any topic for improving my English speaking. So this is the second day for improving my English speaking. So today my topic is how can behave and how can talk with each other without any hesitation. Suppose that if you have any problem, that time you will talking with any people, any student, any friends, any villagers. So today I am going to suggest you how can talk with politely and how can talk with without any hesitation. So guys, this is the second video, and tomorrow will be 1st January 2026. So today I am very excited, and today I am going to decide every day I will upload different types topic, different types talking about topic. So now let's move on to my topic and talking about. So guys, today my topic is कि how can talk with any people without any hesitation. First you need to every day remember word meanings, some unique and easy word meaning, and daily uses sentences you will remember. If you remember easy words, then you will automatically improve your English speaking. And first you need to translate some small Hindi to English translator. That will be better for you. So if you want to improve our English speaking, first you need to talking with each other without any hesitation. If you are feeling hesitate, then you will not able to anytime. Then you will not able to speak English, speak anyone. So first you need to remove our hesitation and talk with each other without any hesitation. That will be better for you. So my suggestion you कि if your close friend, then you will call you and talk with any topic and any matter about talk without any hesitation. If you are some cases and some incident, then you will explain, hey friend, hey XYZ friends, hey Rohit, hey Manish, hey Arif, today I have one incident. Today I was going with my one friends. So one person asked me, hey, what is your name? So that time I will reply, my name is Dilshad Ali and XYZ. So that person asked you, what is your qualification? So that time I will reply ki my last qualification is 12th, and in this time I preparing my DFS course, Diploma in Industrial Fire and Safety Engineering, XYZ. And that time one person I asked me ki, hey, do you have best friend? So that time I will reply ki, yeah, I have one best friend and he always help me. So that time I will explain about you. Hey Rohit, that time I reply ki one of the best my friend is Rohit. So he unknown person are very excited ki you have one friend and your friend is very honesty, but my friend is not honesty and I have no friend. Can you make me a friend? So that time I will handshake and I offer ki, yeah, you are my friend, and today I decide ki any problem life will, if you have any problem, then both are meet to solve. So that time I will impress for to that person, and this is the very crucial and this is very good incident. So that's why I will explain you. So hey guys, how is my session? So if this session will better for you, if session will understanding, so please like my video and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, because my English is also weak. So always every day I will try to speak English more and more, because if you practice more and more, and if you talking with each other more and more, so that will be better for you. If you regularly regular basis of you are talking with each other, talking with relative, talking with your best friend, so that will be better for you. And if you are if you want to improve our English speaking, if you want to improve your communication skill, then you will first you need to without any hesitation talk with each other. Start talking without any hesitation. So thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care guys.